Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make these cute little Halloween candies. I saw a photo of like candy floating around on like the, not even a crafty page, it was just a random photo of candies. I don't know if they were real candies or not, but I was like, you know what, let's make some fake candies for Halloween, like embellishments. So if you want to make those, stay tuned. So when I first saw the picture, I was like, okay, what would work best with this? I was thinking, okay, Crayola marker lids. You know, those like fat lids. I was like, those would be perfect, but I'm not gonna waste my kids' markers on those. And then another perfect size would be the boba straws. So not a regular paper like straw or anything, but like the boba ones, which are like a wider opening, which I have seen at the dollar stores. And I didn't get them because they were in rainbow colors and I wanted a clear color for a different project I was going to work on. So I didn't end up getting them, and now I'm regretting it because those would be perfect. So if you can find boba straws at the 99-cent store, even better, because you're going to save yourself some time on this part. So what you're gonna want to cut 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches square. It doesn't have to be perfect because, yeah, it's an embellishment. So you'll want a pen, like a round pen or marker or whatever, whatnot, and start curling your paper as if it, you know, were a bow. And I did see Ida using like this thing that like curls paper. I need to get one because I'm sure that would save you time as well. So right now I'm just kind of like shaping the paper, and I kind of just shape it around the pen just to give it that tight curl, because you know it comes undone. So the one part I found that using hot glue worked better, because I tried double-sided tape and it just didn't, it made it like, well, I can't even do a straight line of hot glue. You're just going to push that side in just enough so it's underneath the paper. So you're going to have about 1/4 inch up inside, curled under. I'm just using my pen, sticking it in there to like press down and really get the glue on there. So now you have this, a mini empty toilet paper roll. And I'm just using my scraps. I just happen to be using black. You could use white, whatever. But do note that crepe paper is a little bit see-through, so you can see like the black tint underneath. So if you want to use white, I guess that's like your best bet. Then for the crepe paper, why is it all like, it looks like a dog chewed the end of it. Okay, I used about a 5-inch, or it doesn't really matter, it could be longer, 5, 6, 7 inch, whatever you want to do, just to start with, of crepe paper. And you can't go bigger than 1.5 inches tall. You can make a wider candy, but you can't make a taller candy, because then it's not going to fit in the crepe paper. You could always use tissue paper and start cutting and measuring, but I'm all about simplicity, and this, I'm going to use what the size the crepe paper is, you know. So roughly in the middle, you're going to want to do your tape runner or whatever tape that you're using. By the way, my kids, somebody broke this because it's not working anymore. Oh, I'm gonna have to like try to unclog it and stick it because it keeps sticking. Really? Okay, so you're gonna run tape in the center of this. You're gonna run it on the very edge, both sides, and only in the middle. And then once in the middle as well. Then on your little cylinder, the side with the seam, you're gonna want to place that on the very edge. Just eyeballing it. Push it down, and then you're gonna start rolling. Roll the pizza, roll the dough. And there you go. And then you just twist the edges. This is just to get it to like stay there before you tie it. Just twist it. So of course I have the seam side down. And I'm gonna use, these are from Target last year, so I'm finally like using them. This is like baker's twine, but you could use ribbon, all sorts of stuff to decorate. I mean, the possibilities are endless on this thing. So I'm cutting like a big giant long piece because I have nails. So it's a little harder to tie bows. So I'm going to tie it once in a knot and then twice so it doesn't come off the candy. And I'm just going to trim it. I mean, you could do, I think a bow would look really cute, but I can't make a bow that tiny with these nails right now. It's just not possible. Big old fat fingers plus nails, that's not gonna work. Cut, cut. I'm just shaping my candies. Okay, so on some of the, you could also use like sewing thread. Barely gives a little hint of whatever that is. Pop of gold, I guess. Then also this one, I fringed the edge once I cut it down to size, or you can just leave it like triangle shaped. So I'll leave this one triangle shaped, I guess. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then I thought like, okay, how can I decorate the band or make the band? You can get a piece of cardstock, you know, your Halloween cardstock, and make another little circle just like you did the inner tube and decorate that, but it's a little stiffer and hard to work with, so I figured why not use like washi? Like, you know, I'm always, that's like my most neglected crafting tool is washi. So I was like, ooh, this really wide one, which I hardly ever use just because it's super wide and I'm like, what the heck am I gonna use that for, you know? So this is a perfect way to use your really wide ones, or like this one, I just pulled a piece out and just used that as like the decorative piece. So just a little like 1 inch, whatchamacallit. So just cut some of my wide one. I'm gonna put it on the back. I'm gonna cut the excess off. Okay, so there's my little candies, and then seriously work like a hot mess, all this stuff everywhere. Then these are my Tim Holtz stickers that I'm obsessed with. You can even print something out and then cut it, you know? Oh, this one says "So Wicked." Just push it on there, try not to like smush it, then you'll make a big like square shaped candy. So yeah, that's super cute, and you can add a little bling and whatnot to this. The washi, I don't know, we'll see what this looks like tomorrow morning, if the washi holds up and doesn't unravel, because you know washi, you can't trust it. In utter despair, so wicked, mischief. And you could probably back some of these stickers with like art glitter glue, so it really stays if you want. And then this one I added a little spider. By the way, these spiders do not stay with a hot glue gun. Nope, they pop off the next day, and I found that out when I was packing up Happy Meal. I'm like, so they do stay down with our glitter glue though. So there he is. Okay, so real quick, I just added some bling off of camera, and I think it brought it to the next level. I added a little like spider confetti to this one with some bling. So cute. Nice and poisonous. Come, my little children. And I think this is a perfect little embellishment for like, you could do this in like Christmas colors, so for Christmas embellishments, or you could do like birthday bright colors for birthday theme. So it's a universal embellishment. All right, bye guys, catch you on the next video.